One of the last steps in preparation for our practical task is product creation. What is product in PortaBilling? It is a combination of services with a price tag attached to them. And this is exactly what is sold to an end user. Basically, the product is a box that the customer purchases and uses. The product is defined by the following main elements. We have usage charges, first of all. How much we charge users per minute of call to a specific destination, per megabyte of data, or per SMS. We can also have recurring charges, monthly subscriptions, for example. The service or services that the customer is allowed to use are also defined here at the product level. The product that we will create in the scope of our practical task will include only voice calls, so the customers won't be able to use mobile internet or send SMS messages. However, other products may include these and many other services. Okay, a product also defines default service configuration. There are a number of VoIP features available. For example, call waiting. If this feature is enabled and I'm on the phone with someone while someone else is trying to reach me, I will get a notification and can decide whether to pick up the incoming call or stay on my current call. Call waiting feature can also be disabled by default, and this allows us to monetize additional features. If the customer wishes to use this feature, they will need to pay an additional fee. Another example of a feature that can be monetized for an additional fee is call recording, that allows users to record incoming or outgoing calls. Another very important product attribute is volume discount plan. Quota is one of the most popular volume discount plan types or bundles, but in this chapter we're not going to take a closer look at quotas. We discuss them in detail in our advanced residential VoIP chapter. Now let's discuss the main product attributes. The first one is currency. Whenever financial operations are involved, currency is needed. Then product has type. Product can be main or add-on. A main product is required to create an account, and an account can have only one main product. Add-on products are used to upsell different features such as call recording, call waiting, follow me, and others. Add-on products must be allowed with the main product assigned to an account. Products can be managed by administrator or reseller. And all our examples, our test products will be managed by administrator only. We don't need to explore any other options at this point. Products have two names, an internal name not visible to end users and a name visible to end users. Internal name can include specifics necessary only for the administration or a name in different language, for example. And the last one of the product attributes that we're going to discuss today is account role. We choose an account role for the product, and this defines what accounts this product is going to be used for. For example, if our product is going to be used for VoIP customers, the account role is usually going to be phone line, because we suppose that accounts with role phone line are going to be used to send and receive calls. Role can also be mobile. This means that our account is going to be linked to a SIM card. There are many other roles, which we will consider in this and other courses. But for now, it's preferable to choose universal. Universal is compatible with all account roles. If we choose a specific account role for the product other than universal, we introduce the following constraint. We're going to be able to assign this product only to an account that has the same role. For right now, we don't want this. A couple of practical aspects as usual. Product is always assigned to an account under customer. In the PortaBilling database, products are stored in the table called products. And to find products on the web interface, we go to Service Catalog, Products. Okay. Now let's go to our web interface and create our product. So let's go to Service Catalog, Products, and to the Create tab. Okay, let's give it a name. Easy Call Demo. This is our internal name. And for end users, I'm going to change it a little bit. I don't want our end users to know that it is a demo product. It's going to be just Easy Call. The product type is going to be main product, the currency US dollars, managed by administrator only. Here everything is perfect, and the account role universal. Let's click Save. The product has been saved, but it is in draft status because we need to finish its configuration. We need to add services and service usage charges. So let's do it now. Let's add only voice calls. Okay, let's choose voice calls here. I have already mentioned that we can define default service configuration for our services. For example, we can turn call recording on and off, or for incoming calls, turn call waiting on and off. By default, right now it's enabled. Okay, let's click Save again. The product is still in draft status because we haven't added any usage charges, and here is a pop-up reminder about that. Okay, let's go and set up usage charges. Let's go to usage charges and click Add. Our service is going to be voice calls. There are many other parameters here that we're not going to look into right now. They allow us to fine-tune our service usage even more, but right now we just need a tariff. The tariff that we created earlier, our Easy Call Demo tariff. Easy Call Demo. Now that we have our usage charges, we can click Save, and the product has been saved. Right now, our customer is going to be able to make calls, and we are going to charge them according to Easy Call Demo tariff. In other chapters, we will learn how to add other tariffs and set up different billing conditions depending on the situation. But for now, it's enough. Okay, our preparation is finished by now. We are all set, and we are ready to start creating customers and start selling this product.